Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know nowadays I have started a complete week of skincare regime, or what are the best practices to get a normal glowing skin. Now this is the skin after the complete makeup. Really? No, there is absolute no makeup. So I did this natural gold facial kit. I did use it and that's the difference of this. I have already uploaded the video, and just in case you missed it, I will leave you the link in the description box, or at the end of the video you will get automatically the link of this video. Trust me, good vibes. I am falling in love and I've already raved too much about that. Now as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the pimple marks or the acne scars. Now the basic thing which I want to directly jump into is pimple marks and the scars. Now pimple marks is something which is this. I had a pimple, I had a bump, and then this is a mark which is something left. Now pimple scars is, for example, you have a bump, you kind of prick it and there is a depression in your skin level, that is gadde you आप बोल सकते हैं. If you have the depression and the depth in your skin, that is called pimple scar. Now this is pimple mark. So when how it comes to pimple scar is when actually you kind of apply all the normal skincare regimes and it does accumulate in those bumps or the depressions, then actually it tends to snatch the glow of the skin. So there are two basic things about the acne, which is scars and the depressions, the marks. So please do not get confused. Mark is something which after going it leaves a kind of stain on your skin. Scars is something, there is a depression, you did it unnaturally, you pricked it and then there is a depression. Now scars can also cause not only due to pimple, there are a lot of other reasons. Chicken pox, smallpox you have been going through, or any aged ladies who have been going through with all of those stuffs, they also have the scars. Now there is a different treatment to treat the scars. Now I am here in this video to cover only about the marks the pimple leaves after the natural breakout. Now the first thing, why to let the pimple have a bump on your skin? I will not use, as you all know, I do not use any product so artificial. So for example, it usually happens with the woman, and even this video can be for the men. If they feel that their hormonal changes is creating a kind of pimple, the pimple is about to arise, please use the products which are available in the drugstore, which is clindamycin. This is the product which always should be used. Please use this product. This is easily available in the drugstore. This is quarantine, I know, but medical shops are open. You are getting online delivery. Do not try to avoid it. I will not say do not go for it, but try to avoid it. But again, in the drugstore it is very easily available. This product is easily available, which is clindamycin Adafil. This is a phosphate gel and it comes 15 grams. I don't know the price because I always have this tube with me. I do not have the price written anywhere, but it is not very expensive. It's a kind of liquid which is having a white consistency, but trust me, when you feel that the pimple is about to come, you apply this and within a night it kind of suppresses the pimple, as in it works that way that it completely I don't know what's wrong. It completely goes off after 2 days of application when you leave applying at night. So this is the first thing, which this is again, and I can't stress it enough, this is the savior for your pimple. Now again, if you are very busy enough and you could not find time to actually detect that the pimple is coming from the part of your skin, and then you feel that nothing can be done, now it's already arised, the best thing you can do is directly at home just use 3 ingredients and now you are sorted. I will say minimum of 2, but again, if your skin is really sensitive, go for 3 ingredients. The first is normal turmeric powder. Now, don't take the turmeric powder which is available in your kitchen. No, there are two type of turmeric powders, which are the natural turmeric powders. If for example at your home those turmeric kind of fragments come and then you kind of piss it and you get that, then that is the natural form. But you get the haldis in packet, do not use that. There are a lot of good haldi powders available, but right now if you want emergency, then in the Good Vibes, in the Purple website, you have Alps Goodness. This is one of the best haldi powder, very inexpensive. I think this is hardly for like 100 rupees or so. Yeah, this is for 100 rupees. Yeah, 99, not even 100. So this is 100 rupees product and you get a lot of haldi. This is from Alps Goodness. This is amazing natural form of haldi which you can apply it on your skin. Now haldi has a lot of antibacterial effects. It do kills a lot of bacteria from your skin, from any part of your body for that matter, not only the facial skin, from any part of the body. It removes the tan. Now my hand is always tan, so I have to use it. I will do a separate video for the skin polishing of the hand and the feet. My feet is in a terrible condition because I do walk every day and something bad happened to my feet. I need to have a proper pedicure being done. I will share the video. Now when you open this, this comes in this kind of Ziploc bag, and I have already used this. When I kind of take the product, it comes in such things, so it is securely packed. So if it comes in the parcel also, it will not create hassle. Now haldi mouse doesn't go so easily, and I think you guys are aware of it. I already use so much of the product. I always use this haldi. So the simple paste you can get is haldi powder, rose water and aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel for those people whose skin is extremely sensitive or whose skin is extremely dry. For me, aloe vera gel doesn't work in the summer season at all. I feel more uncomfortable to your skin, to my skin. I take a little bit of the haldi powder because I have just one mark, and I'm gonna apply it there, and then I'll take a rose water, and then I'm sorted. I do not take aloe vera gel, as I already mentioned. Please make sure that before you apply this paste, you moisturize your face with any kind of facial mist. Take a normal rose water and just do not let your skin go dry, because turmeric powder has a tendency to make your skin a little dry. Now I'm using the gulabari water. You can use the banjaras, anything, whatever is available at your home, you just use it. Don't try to buy any products. It's not advisable unless you have really an emergency. Please go ahead and order from Purple, Nykaa. All the essential products are getting delivered there. Now this makes a really smooth paste. I took a little bit more quantity of haldi, so I'm gonna mix it with little bit more of rose water. Don't make the mixture very dry. Now the mixture consistency should be this. I'm gonna apply it over here. Now also in the mouth area you can apply, because there is kind of marks. You can apply it over there as well. It looks funny, but trust me, the result is really good. Use very natural ingredients. Don't go for and you're gonna leave the skin like this for like 10-15 minutes. Use this step twice a day and trust me, you'll feel the difference. Now I'm gonna sit it and then I'll again come back. Now I kind of washed the face. Now trust me, there is nothing I've done on the face. It's completely dry. Let me show you, then you will see. I mean, you might say that you came with something on the face and that's why there is a difference. Trust me, I have absolute nothing on the face. These are the normal thing which I use every day. But there is a vast difference in what skin which I started and what I have now. The skin actually gives a natural glow and it removes a lot of dirt. That's the reason the skin is actually looking much glower than whatever it is. I don't know why the camera is giving that white effect, or it is glowing. Do let me know in the description box. The last step after all the 4 steps is definitely to use some kind of mist. Do not use moisturizer, because I would suggest for like 24 hours do not use any moisturizer on the face after applying the entire set of the product. Just use one normal facial mist. I have already given a video for the natural facial mist, but again, if that is not you're not happy, then you can use the normal lavender ka facial mist, and then leave your skin just like that and just go for a sleep. Let your skin repair and rejuvenate, and automatically you will see a lot of changes. Now, how often do you use? I think once in a week to use this is enough. Do not use too often to get instant results, because skin needs time to work out. So don't go in a hurry. There's a lot of time, still quarantine is there, and I'm very sure it will be going to extend what I hear. So if you have enough time for your skin, take a good amount of time and let your skin heal the way the nature is healing. So the last step, and I'll just finish up the video. I'll just use this lavender spray, let it get moisture. Now the importance of any facial mist or any essential oil or any kind of DIY facial mist is to keep your skin hydrated, because more your skin is rough, you tend to have aging, wrinkles and all of that, and I'm very sure you don't want that. So please make sure that your face is little moistured. Not in the case moisturizer, because nowadays even I'm not using moisturizer, but again, it's very important that your skin is really moisturized. So that's pretty much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. This video will be the back to back of the present video, because that will be something to treat your acne. Now I'm done with the skincare. I will back to back shoot the video to treat the acne. That was again more requested video. So if you really wanted to stay tuned to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon, so that every time I upload the video you will all be well notified about it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.